Every time you ask a cloud-based AI a question, you are handing over private data to a corporate server and paying a monthly fee for the privilege. Today, we're going to cut the cord. In less than 6 minutes, you can build a completely private, offline, high-speed AI assistant running entirely on your own hardware. We need a 3-tier architecture. First, Ollama acts as the backend engine. Second, Google's Gemma 4 serves as the AI brain. Finally, OpenClaw provides the dashboard interface. Before starting, check your system. You need 16 gigabytes of RAM, Node.js, and an internet connection. This architecture hosts an intelligence node directly on your laptop, running entirely without cloud oversight. Let's build it. Step 1 is installing the engine. Navigate to the official Ollama website, download the installer for your specific operating system, and run the executable file. To verify the engine is running in the background, open your terminal and type Ollama list. Because we haven't downloaded any models yet, the output will be completely empty. Now we give the engine a brain. In that same terminal window, type Ollama run Gemma 4:2b and hit enter. Specifying the 2b or 4b variant of Gemma 4 is critical here. These versions are optimized for standard hardware, ensuring you don't run into out-of-memory errors that would crash your system. Once the progress bar hits 100%, the terminal will automatically transition into an interactive chat environment. Go ahead and test it. Type a simple greeting directly into the prompt and hit enter. You will see a brief thinking status before the text appears. That pause confirms your local GPU and CPU are successfully processing the request. Now type /by and hit enter to properly terminate the chat session. Closing this terminal session is an absolute necessity. It releases the system RAM holding the terminal chat, leaving enough memory available to launch our graphical interface in the next phase. Step 2 is wiring that command line engine to a web interface. In your terminal, type npx OpenClaw onboard to launch the configuration wizard. A quick warning, the Ollama application must remain actively running in your background or system tray, or this connection will fail. In the wizard, your first configuration step is to scroll through the list of providers and select Ollama. Next, confirm and map your local base URL to http://localhost:11434. Finally, select the Gemma 4 model we just downloaded from your local registry list. If the wizard fails to connect, open Windows File Explorer and navigate to %localappdata/Ollama file path to check the internal server logs for errors. This short wizard handles all the complex API routing for you, creating a secure bridge from your raw command line engine to an intuitive browser-based UI. Step 3 is the launch. Start the OpenClaw gateway in your terminal, then open the provided localhost URL in your web browser. Let's stress test the system. In the chat bar, ask the agent to write a Python script for a calculator and hit enter. For this very first prompt, the system will need 10 to 20 seconds to process. The model is being physically loaded into your system's memory. But once that initial load is complete, every subsequent query you make will execute with near-zero latency. Generating functional code directly in your browser without reaching out to an external server proves your local environment is fully operational and capable of executing complex logic entirely offline. You now possess a completely functional, zero-cost AI environment where your data never leaves your desk. For the ultimate validation test, disable your device's Wi-Fi. Ask the AI another question and watch it continue to function flawlessly. The OpenClaw gateway also extends into your existing workflows, powering automated bots across Discord, Slack, and Telegram. Check the video description below for advanced tutorials on connecting this exact local stack to those messaging platforms. You now have a private AI platform that keeps your files off remote servers and answers only to you.